Hello friends, in this video we will discuss the options of image menu, how image menu options used in this Adobe Photoshop file to make them different. So apply these options by selecting this image. So see this image and we will apply the options of image menu. First start with mode. This contain many options like grayscale to convert your picture into grayscale and remove the colors, discard color information, then press OK. So your colors will remove from the image and only gray or black and white colors will be available in this picture. And if you want to again see your image in color form, then use undo grayscale or step backward option. Use undo grayscale, so you see that. Then use mode and you can change the mode of your image using the RGB color. By default it's a by default color, and you can change the color CM, KY color, lab color, multi-channel color, and this is the many type of mode which are used according to the requirement of the photo developer. So another option, adjustment. So this option is used to adjust the level of your image like this. Click here and shortcut key Ctrl L and you can adjust the image level from here, and it will adjust all the image level. See this, adjust all the image level and then click OK. And if you want to adjust the automatic level, use Shift Ctrl plus L, it will automatically adjust the level according to the Adobe Photoshop. See this, adjust the level automatically. You can adjust the contrast of image and you can adjust the curve. Curve, shortcut key Ctrl M, and this is a curve option. Curve window will be opened and you can increase like this blackness and like this whiteness. You can increase the one part of your color brightness and one part into blackness with this curve option. Then click OK. So your picture will be look like something this, and this is a way to adjust the curves. And now we will use the another image to adjust the other colors of this image in this file. Use some other image like this. So see this image, and now we will apply the other option on this image adjustment. You can adjust the auto color, adjust the colors of the image automatically. And if you want to adjust color balance, use this option color balance, shortcut key Ctrl B to adjust the color, like increase the cyan color or increase the red color, increase the magenta color in the image, increase the green color in the image, increase yellow color, increase blue color. So this is a way to balance your colors. CYM means CMY means CYMY colors, a red, green, blue means RGB colors. So I think you understand what I am saying. So next option is adjustment brightness. To increase or decrease the image brightness, use this option like this. And similarly you can use the other options of adjustments. If you want to see the detail of these adjustment options, hue saturations, desaturations, replace color, selective color, you can see my special video on this adjustment. So now follow with the next option, duplicate. If you want to create the duplicate of this file, click here, enter the name of duplicate file in this window, then click OK. You will see another duplicate file open on your screen. And similarly, if you want to apply images settings like change the channel RGB, red, green, blue, or use the blending option, color burn like this, burn the color, light color, screening color, or color dots, you can use these all mode of this image to make your image more editable, more attractive using these options. Or you can also use this option calculation. This contains the two part, source 1 and source 2. You can adjust from source 1 green color, blue and red color, and you can adjust in source 2 also this color like this. Adjust the second source, divide your image into two source. This option divide your image into two source, source 1 and source 2, to adjust the color. And you can use this blending option, similarly used in the apply image option, to adjust the color. Or you can increase the opacity or decrease the opacity from here like this, and then click OK. So these changes can be made in your image by using this option. And next option is canvas. It's a very important option to give frame to the image. Click here and then enter its a width and height which is recently this image contain. And if you want to increase this image width from 30.55 to 33 and height similarly 45 to like 48, you will see, then click OK. There will be a frame on all sides of top, bottom, left and right. You can see that is a background. You can say that canvas size increase background color. That color is a background color. You can see here the background color which is filled in this frame. So if you want to trim this canvas size, you can use this option trim, and it will provide you the option you want to trim top, bottom also. If you don't want to trim both or bottom, click untick these options and then OK. You will see left and right canvas size removed from the image. So this is a way to remove the trim, means remove the left and right part of your image. And if you want to remove top and bottom part also, select these top and bottom and then click OK. It will remove the top and bottom canvas size. So you can remove this part. And if you want to rotate your image, use like 180 degree. You can remove rotate your image at 180 degree, 90 degree. You can rotate at 90 degree. And similarly you can rotate flip horizontally. Flip horizontally means the image will be left part will be visible on right side and right part will be visible on left side. See this. And rotate vertically opposite from top to bottom. So these are the way to rotate your canvas using these options. I think you understand how these options are used like this. So this is a way you can use these options. And similarly, if you want to crop your picture, use this option to remove the unnecessary part, crop tool. And if you will select that part which you want in your image like this, and the part which is in gray part, that will be cropped by this option, and go in image, click on this option crop, and the part which is not required removed, and the part I need or you need, you can see that part will be visible in the window. So this is a way to use the option of image menu.